Past year asked question of Transfer of Property Act. The Privy Council decision in Tilak Dhawari Lal versus Khedan Lal related to Section 3 of the Transfer of Property Act, which reference to the Transfer of Property Act. Ram Badhan versus Ram Moti EIR 1967 is case for rules against perpetuity. Muhammad Afzal versus Ghulam Qasim is a leading case on which of the following doctrine of election. In which of the following case it was held that surrender by tenant is not transfer. Makhanlal Shah versus NN Andhikudi. The principle laid down in the Privy Council as to the constructive notice of the real title as provided in Section 41 was reaffirmed by the Supreme Court in Jummah Masjid Makkara versus Kodi Mandira Devil. The case of Jaya Poda versus Baby Hajra is related to ostensible honor. Which of the following case involving the Section 41 of Transfer of Property Act? Suraj Ratan Trirani versus Amjabad Tea Company. Bellamy versus Sabini case is related to doctrine Lispendis. Doctrine of Lispendis is explained in the famous case Bellamy versus Samblini. In which of the following is a leading case on the doctrine of part performance? Muhammad Musa versus Ashok Kumar Ganguly. Prabodh Kumar Das versus Dhantarama Tea and Company Limited case is related to which of the following doctrine? Doctrine of part performance. A leading case on the restriction of repugnant to interest created by Tulk versus Mox hai. When a person transfers property representing that he is a present interest therein, whereas in fact only a space succession, the transfer is entitled to the benefit under Section 43. If he has taken a transfer on the faith of the representation for the consideration under Section 43, subsection 6A operate on different field. The principle laid down in Jamua Masjid Makkara versus Kodi Mandra Devil. In which of the following case it was held by the partition is not a transfer of property? V.K. Sarain versus Ajit Kumar AIR 1986. Which one of the following case does not pretend to be doctrine of part performance? राम बड़न प्रसाद वर्सेस राम मोती हजार. यानी कि कौन कौन केस है डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस है? आरिफ वर्सेस झंडूनाथ, प्रबोध कुमार वर्सेस दिंतमाड़ टी कंपनी, सुंदर गोविंद राव वर्सेस महादेविक एंड देवी सहाय. The case of Arif Junaid Nath is related to which of the following part performance? Cooper versus Cooper 1874 related to doctrine of election. Principle of Section 17 of Transfer of Property is based on which of the following case? Tillotson versus Woodford. Rule against double possibility was recognized in which of the following case? Whitby versus Michael. Ram Kumar Kudun versus MC Curie 1872 is related to ostensible honor. Doctrine on the clog of equity of the redemption is a rule of justice, equity and good conscience. This was affirmed by Supreme Court in Surapur versus Devan Chand in which case Supreme Court has held that the mortgage is valid even though no part of mortgage money has been advanced. State of Kerala versus Kochi Refinery 1968. The following leading cases related to which of the following subject? Gopal Purushottam lease, Stanley versus White gift, Kedar Lal versus Harilal mortgage, Ali Hussain versus Nikka Kundam. एक सेकंड. Gopal versus Purushottam, Stanley versus Wild, Kheda Lal versus Harilal, Ali Hussain versus Nikka Kuden, all is related to the mortgage. The principle of once a mortgage, always a mortgage is a principle based on equity, justice, and good conscience. Was the first and involved in Knox versus Rice. Which one of the following cases related to right of the redemption? Stanley versus White, Knox versus Rice, Kreilinger versus New Patagonia Meat and Cold Storage Company Limited. If a sale and agreement to repurchase are embodied in a separate document, then transaction cannot be mortgage. This was laid down in चुनचुन झा वर्सेस शेख इबादत अली. भारत निधि लिमिटेड वर्सेस तखतमल AIA 1969 related to the actionable claim section 130. In which of the following case Supreme Court held that doctrine of clog on equity and redemption is a rule of justice, equity and good conscience? Murari Lal versus Devkarn. In which of the following case decided by Privy Council related to fraudulent transfer? Musahar Sahu versus Hakim Lal. The rule of Daniels versus Davidson has been statutorily shaped in the Transfer of Property Act under which of the following title? Registration of constructive notice. First of four. Musahar Sahu versus Lal Hakim Lal, fraudulent transfer. Madison versus Adlerson, part performance. Ram Kumar versus McQueen, doctrine of election. Mast Dampati versus Devi Prasad, doctrine of election. फर्स्ट का 4 यानी मुस्तहर साहू वर्सेस लाल हकीम लाल फॉरेन ट्रांसफ़र. सेकंड का 1 मेडिसन वर्सेस एडल्सन पार्ट परफॉर्मेंस. थर्ड का 2 राम कुमार वर्सेस मैक्यूरी ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ ऑस्टेंसिबल वामन. मस्त धनपति वर्सेस देवी प्रसाद डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ इलेक्शन.